Now, the next step is to allow the students to inoculate their own potatoes. In this case, for this demonstration, I'm only utilizing one surface disinfested potato. However, as outlined in the protocol, you're going to want to allow each lab group to inoculate at least 3 potatoes, which will allow the students to have a sense of the replication required in the scientific process and allow them enough samples to analyze in terms of presence or absence of disease symptoms. So to inoculate, we're going to want 5 things. You're going to want to have a surface disinfested potato, a toothpick, pre-dampened paper towels, a sealable bag, and our glass or plastic vial of inoculum that we just collected. In order to inoculate, we're going to inoculate each potato 4 times. Once on each pole, and then once over here. That should allow 4 equidistant inoculation points on the potato, and after 5 to 7 days they won't or shouldn't grow into each other. So we should be able to tell the difference between healthy and diseased tissue. So this protocol is very simple, and you're going to want to be consistent, or at least instruct the students on how to consistently inoculate. So I'm going to take a toothpick, I'm going to simply just dip it into this inoculum, and I'm going to poke about 1 millimeter to 2 millimeters in. It doesn't matter how deep you go, you just want the students to be consistent. Between each inoculation, I'm going to re-dip my toothpick in the inoculum. So I've done the 2 pulls, I'll do right here, and then I will do the last side. That's it. Then I will take my pre-dampened paper towel and wrap the potato fully in that pre-dampened paper towel. Then store the potato, and you could do individually bagged, or sometimes all 3 of the inoculated potatoes for each lab group could be stored in the same bag. Zip it up and let it incubate on the bench top for 5 to 7 days.